Matillion ETL version 1.63 is now publicly available to all customers. In this video, we're going to show you what's new. For all platforms, the Twitter query component has been deprecated and replaced by a new version of the same name. Data sources that relate to ads have now moved to the Twitter ads query component. There are new shared job Git API endpoints available, including push and fetch. Read the API version 1 Git integration documentation to learn how to use these endpoints. Next is an implemented suggestion from the Matillion community. The Retry component now offers a custom retry delay setting where users can specify an integer value of seconds, minutes, or hours to specify exactly how long before retrying a job. The next update has again come from a community suggestion. Matillion ETL now adds the ability to pause the execution of all future jobs via the Matillion scheduler with a single click. This is helpful for disaster recovery, maintenance, or migration scenarios where changes must be made to the Matillion server in between job runs. To disable the scheduler, click the project menu, then click Manage Schedules to access the Manage Schedules dialog. Clear the Schedules are enabled for project checkbox at the top of the dialog. You'll be asked to confirm that you want to pause all schedules currently running, and click Pause Service to confirm. All pending schedules will now be disabled until you re-enable them by selecting Schedules are enabled for project again. Again, on all platforms, the Task ID variable is now accessible on the Matillion canvas for job tracking and parameterization as one of Matillion ETL's automatic variables. This was also a suggestion from the Matillion community. The JDBC table metadata to grid component is now available on Matillion ETL for Delta Lake on Databricks. A final change on all platforms, the Visual Data Lineage tab has been deprecated as of this version 1.63. You can find out more information about this change and suitable alternatives on the Matillion blog. And that's what's new with Matillion ETL version 1.63. Please subscribe to the channel to keep up to date with the latest releases. And for more information on everything covered in this video, please visit the Matillion documentation site.